How to withdraw money from Cryptomania app. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about withdrawing money from Cryptomania. A lot of people get confused about this, so let's clear everything up step by step. Cryptomania is a mobile app designed to simulate cryptocurrency trading. Think of it as a practice platform where you can buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, all without risking real money. As you can see on my screen, my current balance in Cryptomania is $5,000. Pretty impressive, right? But here's the important part. That balance is entirely made up of virtual currency. You can earn, trade, and build your portfolio inside the app, but everything is completely simulated. Now, before going any further, let's talk a bit about what Cryptomania really is. If you search for it on the Play Store, you'll see that it's described as a trading simulator. That means it works more like a game than a real exchange. It's built to teach you the basics of crypto trading, help you practice strategies, and give you a feel for the market, but without any real-world financial risk. So, what about withdrawing money? Here's the truth. Even though you can make profits inside Cryptomania, those profits are purely virtual. You cannot transfer them to your bank account or cash them out as real money. The app is strictly for practice and education, not for making actual income. I also double-checked this by looking up more information online. And it's confirmed. Cryptomania is only a learning tool. The money you see inside the app is not real and can't be withdrawn. So to wrap it up, Cryptomania is an excellent way to practice crypto trading without putting your own money on the line. But remember, the earnings you see are just virtual. There's no option to withdraw them in real life. If you still have questions about Cryptomania, or if you'd like me to cover other trading apps and platforms, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one.